Here from Chile, flag bearer is an alpine skier. Number of world-class ski resorts in Chile host a World Cup stop. Never, though, have they won a medal in 14 Olympic Winter Games appearances. It is, by the way, a popular spot for American skiers to train in our summer. Lindsey Vonn and others make the stop down there to the resort of Portillo. China is already, I think most people know, a major summer Olympics power, rising in the Winter Games.
The Maryland State Police, at the request of Cecil County Sheriff's Office, have issued a Maryland Child Amber Alert for Hannah Lynn Harrigan. Hannah Lynn Harrigan is further described as being 3 feet and 42 pounds. The child was last seen wearing a pink coat, blue jeans, a black Hello Kitty long-sleeve shirt. The child was last observed at approximately 5:30 p.m. in the area of 5655 Telegraph Road in Elkton, Maryland. This child is believed to have been abducted by Peter Giles Peltier. Peter Giles Peltier, a white male described as being 5 feet 8 inches tall and 160 pounds. The suspect may be wearing a dark coat and a black hat. The possible suspect vehicle is a 1995 Ford Mustang convertible, forest green in color with a black roof. The vehicle has damage to the roof, and several spots have silver and or black tape bearing Maryland registration 9EFL19. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 or the Cecil County Sheriff's Office at 410-996-5511. Do not take action which could endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child. All immediate inquiries should be directed to call 410-996-5511.
Times. We carry them home. We carry them while they